Dear students, I welcome you to this video on how to write suggestions for further research. Any research is not complete. Research is infinite. Research is endless. In that way, our research is also only a part of a research. Research is an ongoing process. Research is a continuous process. Research is full of ocean, and in that we have taken a small bit, and we should consider like that only. So our research is having some limitations, or we have covered with certain variables or certain areas or certain dimensions, that apart from these like dimensions, area and variables, we can take up this research further, that is suggestions for further research. For example, our topic is achievement of higher secondary students in public exams. If I have taken only one district, you can take up any other district in this state or any other district in other state, or you can take the state as a whole, or you can take the country as a whole. So the area is your scope. You can cover the areas which I have not covered. And the dimension, I have taken only the passing percentage of total school subjects. You can break up into number of subjects, how many subjects they are studying, in each subject how they have performed, and what are their failures, what are their positive points, and how we can improve that. For that we can give suggestions, that is dimension wise. And I have taken up a variable, that is medium of study, parental income, parental educational qualifications, and residential area. There are n number of variables associated with students. For example, you can take up whether they are day scholars or hostelers, the kind of school like a co-ed or single gender school, or you can take up the personality type of students, the study habits of students, and etc etc you can take up. So in these areas I have left that you can take up. So these three, like area, dimension, and variables wise, you can take up. And apart from this, my findings says that there are number of failures. Then we can take up a separate study why these number of failures, and for that you can develop a questionnaire, or you can call out the informations related to students failure, and you can take up a separate study for the failures. And in my study I have come out with certain findings. These findings are in tune with already available findings. There are some findings which are not in tune with already found findings, so that you can take up as a separate study. So in this way, the leftover things can be given as options for the future researchers to do research on that particular area or particular topic. In this way, if we give suggestions, that is suggestions for further research, I hope you could have enjoyed this video. You could have understood the importance of suggestions for further research. I hope to meet you in another video. Till then, it is bye from Professor Ramakrishnan.